Welcome back with a new math tutorial. In this video, we'll know how to divide multi-digit numbers. So for the first question, we need to find the quotient. At the first, I need to know what is the meaning of the quotient. If you need to divide, you need to know the name of each number. The first number here is called dividend, and the second number here will be divisor. The answer that you find from the division is called the quotient. So we need to find the answer of division, which is defined by the quotient. So by using the long division, 351, we need to divide it by 9. At the first, I will start, because we have one digit, I will just take one digit. 3 divided by 9. Because 3 is smaller than 9, so we can divide it. We can divide only if the number is greater than or equal the divisor. Now 3 is smaller than 9. Because we can't, so I put 0. Now take the 2 digits. Now 35 divided by 9. The close 9, which is 3. Because 3 multiplied by 9 equals to 27. If you check 4, you will find that the product will be equal 36. 36 is greater than 35, so we can subtract them. So I'll just write 3 up at the quotient and 27 down. Now by subtract. 5 minus 7, impossible. Borrow 1, that would be 2, and 5 will be equal to 15. 15 minus 7 equals 8, and 2 minus 2 equals 0. After subtracting, bring down the next number. Now 81 divided by 9. The closed number now will be 9, because 9 times 9 equals 81. Just write 9 up and 81 down. Now by subtract will be equal 0. So the quotient now will be equals 39. Again for question number 2. For question number 2, we need to divide 768 divided by 8 by using the long division. That will be the dividend, which is 768. We need to divide it by the divisor, which is 8, to find the quotient. Because we have here the divisor with one digit, I will just take one digit. 7 divided by 8. 7 is smaller than 8, so we can divide. Because we can't, I will just write 0. Now 76. The closed number, which is 9. Because 9 times 8 equals 72. We just write 9 up and 72 down. Now by subtract. 6 minus 2 equals 4. 7 minus 7 equals 0. Bring down the next number, which is 8. 48 divided by 8. The closed number, which will be 6. Because 6 times 8 equals 48. So we just write 6 up and 48 down. Now by subtract will be equal 0. So the quotient now will be equals 96. In question number 3, we have 6,493. By the same way, we will use a long division. Now we will have 6,493 as a dividend, 75 as a divisor. The divisor now is 2 digits. I will just take 2 digits. 64 divided by 75. 64 is smaller than 75, so it will be 0. I will just take 3 digits. Now we can check for 8. 8 times 5 equals 4. 0 and carry up 4. 8 times 7 equals 56. Plus 4 equals 260. You will find that will be 600. That will be the closest number. So we have here 600. Because if you check for 9, you will find that the answer will be equal 675. So we just write 8 up and 600 down by subtract. 9 minus 0 equals 9. 4 minus 0 equals 4. And that will be equal 0. Bring down 3. Now 493 divided by 75. We can check for 6. 6 times 5 equals 30. 0 and carry up 3. 6 times 7 equals 42. Plus 3 equals 45. So we can just write 6, and that will be 450. Now by subtract. So that will be 3, and 9 minus 5 equals 4, and 4 minus 4 equals 0. So the quotient now will be equals 86. The quotient is equal 86, and we have a remainder which equals 43. And that's how we can divide a multi-digit number. In question number 4, we have 878 divided by 31. Now the divisor is 2 digits. I will just take 2 digits. We can check for 3. 3 times 1 equals 3. And 3 times 3 equals 9. 93 is greater than 87. So we can subtract. I will just take 2. 2 times 1 equals 2. And 2 times 3 equals 6. Write 2 up and 62 down. Now by subtract. 7 minus 2 equals 5. And 8 minus 6 equals 2. Bring down 8. Now we can check for the next number. We can check for 5. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 3 equals 15. Still we need more. We can check for 8. Now 8 times 1 equals 8. 8 times 3 equals 24. So we have here 248, and that will be the closest number. So 8 up and 248 down. By subtract. 8 minus 8 equals 0. 5 minus 4 equals 1. And 2 minus 2 equals 0. So the quotient now will be equals 28. And the remainder will be equals 10. In question number 5, we need to divide 318 divided by 16. 16 is the divisor. The divisor is 2 digits, so I will take 2 digits. 31 divided by 16. 1 times 16 equal to 16. And 2 times 16 equal to 32. 32 is greater than 31. So we just write 1 up and 16 down. Now by subtract. 31 minus 16 equals 250. Then we need to bring down 8. The closed number now will be 9. 9 times 6 equals 54. 4 and carry up 5. 9 times 1 equals 9. Plus 4 equals 240. We write 9 up and 144 down. Now by subtract. 8 minus 4 equals 4. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 1 minus 1 equals 0. So the quotient now will be equals to 19, and the remainder will be equals 40. And that's how we can divide the multi-digit number.